In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a minimalist Shopify website. Minimal design is all about clarity, focus, and ease of use, so we'll keep things clean and intentional while setting up the foundation of your store. First, head to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button, click it, and sign in using your email or one of the available secure sign-in options. Keep your credentials safe and make sure you have access to the store you want to work on. Next, open a new browser tab and go to themes.shopify.com. This is where you can explore Shopify's theme library. For a minimalist look, choose a theme with plenty of white space, simple typography, and a straightforward layout. A popular free option is Dawn, which is designed to be clean and flexible. Preview themes on both desktop and mobile to ensure they look great on smaller screens, and pay attention to how product images and headings appear. Minimalism relies on strong visuals and clear text. Now go back to your Shopify admin. From the left panel, navigate to Products and select the option to add products. Click the button to add a product and start entering your first item. Keep your product pages simple and persuasive. Use high-quality, well-lit photos on a clean background. A brief, scannable description works best. 1 or 2 short paragraphs that explain what it is, who it's for, and why it's great. Highlight key features in clear sentences rather than long blocks of text. If your item comes in different sizes or colors, add variants so customers can choose easily. Set your price, track inventory if you need to, and save as you go. Repeat this for a few core products so your store has a focused catalog. When your products are in place, go to Settings from the left panel, then click Payments. Turn on Shopify Payments if it's available in your region, and complete the required details so you can accept major cards and popular digital wallets. This keeps checkout smooth, which is essential for a minimalist experience. After that, set your shipping method. Choose a simple structure, free shipping above a certain threshold or a clear flat rate, so customers aren't surprised at checkout. Keep zones and rates tidy to reduce friction. With your theme chosen, products added, payments enabled, and shipping set, you've built a streamlined foundation for a minimalist Shopify website. Keep refining with consistency, thoughtful imagery, and concise copy, and you'll have a store that feels calm, modern, and easy to shop.